Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer your seed token from your Sui wallet to your BingX exchange. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. This is your Sui wallet. What you have to do, you have to go over to seed. You can see the seed over there. Let me go over to it right away, and over here you're going to see send. Let me go over to send. You have to tap this send that is there and to take you to the next step, and here you have to put the amount of seed you wish to transfer to BingX. And at the downside there you're going to see address. You're going to go over to BingX to copy your deposit address so you can paste it over here. Let's go over to BingX. Look at BingX over here. Let me go over to it. And what you have to do next is for you to go over to assets. You can see assets at the right corner, and you have to go over to deposits. Let me go over to deposits. Over here you're going to see different crypto and different coins. So what you have to do is for you to go over to the search area at the upside, and let me go over there and search in seed. Let me do that right away. You're going to see it over here. You have to go over to it, and here you're going to see your address. Look at your deposit address over there. You just have to go there and copy your deposit address, and when you are done with it you have to go over to your Sui wallet to paste it. And look at it at the downside. You have to go over there and paste it right away, and when you are done you go over to review. You can see review here so they can review it. When you are done with it you can go over to receive and send. I go over to send, and it said transaction successful. So let's go over to our BingX to check if you are going to see your seed over there. What you have to do, you have to go over to assets again. Let's go over to it, and you are going to see fund at the upside beside the overview. Look at fund there. The fund area you're going to see different coins and different crypto, and this here you will see your seed which you transfer from your Sui wallet to your BingX exchange, and you are going to see your seed there. So you can go over to the search area and search seed, and seed will appear. So guys, I hope I'll be able to show you how to transfer your seed token from your Sui wallet to your BingX exchange. So this is the end of this video, and see you next time.